This week is looking really good. It's what's good, y'all? It's exclusive here with another trucking video. We're pulling up on Grout Industries. I haven't been to this shipper before, but it's most likely going to be a paper load. Looks like right now it is 12. Looks like there's a scale house up ahead. Right now it's 12 noon. Looks like we got a scale, so I gotta wait for them. Go off duty. So this week is looking good for us. This week is looking really good. It's looking like it's going to be a good week. I've been getting live loads every day. And I mean, I've been averaging like $400 a day, which is good. On the pace that we're going now, I'll probably be able to get to gross 2,000. And then, you know, weeks like this, I like to work an extra day just to add on to the success. If it's a successful week, I like to add on to that success and just work the extra day. And then also next week is Christmas too, so you already know you got to get those gifts. So I need every dollar I can get right now. But they're looking out. You know what I'm saying? They're looking out for me. Let this dude through. Right now we're in Plainfield, Illinois, so we're moving up now. IT 25 1215 -120. And they have this one on the opposite side, which is insane, because usually it's on the left. They got this one on the right, so you got to reach over. It's just too much. One, 2, 1215. IT 25 1215. Not 1115, 1215.
So it's
15 1215 -120.
and then you can go to the back, that one.
Okay. All right, yeah. Alright, looks like we're good to go. This dude is just sitting here waiting. Said go to dock 1. I know he's mad as shit, like, damn, I gotta wait. My bad, bro. Schneider. The best trucking company in the world. Right there, Schneider. Being sarcastic. Yeah, we about to get this grout. You dig? Is this 1? Which one is 1? T6, T3. Oh, 1 is right here. Looks like we got good enough space. I gotta take the... Looks like I'll have enough space to go back straight up. I'm guessing it's D1 because that's the only one that I see. That's 1 that has a 1 in front of it. She didn't say D1, but I'm guessing it's D. Was that always like that? I guess so. Somebody just say something? All right. Nice and slow. Let me bring this window up because this shit do kind of got a smell to it.
You're all set to go?
All right.
He's going back out the scale.
We'll scale
and
it.
get some paperwork.
All right, yeah. I gotta go forward a little bit. What's that?
It needs one more bale. Somebody have him come over here
All right.
and put it on, okay?
All right.
So go ahead now.
Go forward.
Yeah, a little bit more. He's coming.
All right. Wait. I gotta go back there anyways. You want me to move? You say you want me to move? Oh. All right. All right, I'm just gonna close this, put the seal on it, and we good.